Hello, in this video we will be showing you how you can access the Sage Counselling and Psychotherapy video collection e-resource off campus. On the library guide page, just scroll down to the main menu and click on the Access e-resources icon. From the list of options available, just click on the media icon. Now on the media page, just scroll down until you come across the Sage Knowledge logo and just click on that. Now on the Sage Counselling and Psychotherapy video collection page, just click on the Sage Knowledge logo to access this e-resource. You will now find yourself on the Sage video page. On the top right of the screen, you'll see an institution button. Just click on that. And a pop-up window should appear now on the middle of the screen. Just click on the Access via your institution button. Now you'll be asked to select your institution. In the search bar where it looks for you to type in the name of your institution, just type in Northwest Regional College. And when that appears as an option underneath, just select that. And then finally click the Continue button. Now on the institutional login page, just click on the Open Athens/Syllabus button. And finally, you'll be asked to enter in your username and password. Just enter in your 8-digit user ID, followed by your password, and then finally click the login button.